Hi all. Today we can see how we can connect the data from the semantic model already which is being published in workspace, right? We can see how to connect that data which is available in the semantic model, and then we can see how we can switch the live connection mode to the direct query mode. So first we can see how we can connect the semantic model. Get the Click on get data, click on Power BI semantic model here. Already few of the semantic model will be available in the workspace, right? That will be available here. So we can click on the data whichever we require, click on that and click on connect. So whatever the data which is available there, right, in sales data, already some calculation they would have performed in that model. Those calculation it will be available here. So if you can see here, sales is the calculated column in the sales semantic model. So it is already available here. So we don't want to create again. So in live connection, we can't able to create a calculated column. So that is one of the limitation, and we can't see the data view here. So this is connected through the live connection. If you can see here, no, connect live to Power BI semantic model. It is a live connection mode. Suppose if you want to switch this live connection to direct query mode, what we need to do is either we can click here, make changes to this model, or else we can click on this data, go to this modeling, click on make changes to this model, or else we can go to transform data, click on transform data. This pop-up option will be available. Either if we can click here, or else go to modeling, click here, or else we can go here. So any of these option, if we click it, the same pop-up will be displayed. So what it will uh, if we click on this add a local model, already we have connected the sales data, right, in this semantic model. That is our parent semantic model. If we click on this add a local model, it will create a child semantic model for us for this particular report. So we can do the calculation there. Now in the live connection, we couldn't able to create a calculated column, right? So if we add a child semantic model, we can able to create the calculated column. So we can click add a local model here. So this connect to your data, this dialog box will be visible. Click on submit. So when we are publishing this report and service, I will show how the lineage will look when we are publishing this. So we can if you can see here, storage mode is direct query here. If you can observe in the bottom right, storage mode, and here also if you can hover over here, we can see storage mode is direct query. So like this, we can switch the live connection to direct query. And this is what we can do it. And then once it is done, what we can do, we can save this report after all the development. Um, Suppose here, if you want to click any like sales new column, for example, I'm creating for some purpose, for sorting purpose, if you want to create the uh, sales column again, we can we can create a column like this, and we can multiply this list price into order quantity, click enter. So what it will, after creating, if we are creating any calculated column or new measure, then it will create a child report, or else it will be directly connected to the parent semantic model. So I will show you how the lineage works. So once it is this calculation and all the reporting is done, right, what we can do is we can save this and we can publish the report in service. So we can give the service name here. I'll publish in Power BI Practice workspace. So it's published now. So if you can go to the workspace, right? So this report will be published here. So if you want to see it in a lineage mode, right, we can refresh this workspace. We can click here in the lineage view. We can see which is the parent semantic model and which is the a child semantic model. If you can see here, the data is coming from bike data, and this is the semantic model which is created from here to here, and we are taking the live connection from sales data to our report. Our report is called as live connection to direct query. So we have created a sales column, new column, right? So because of that, it created a child semantic model here. So based on this model, this report has been generated. So we can see the main parent semantic model is this one, and the child semantic model is this one for this report. For this report, this will be the parent semantic model because it is coming directly from here. So this is how we can switch the live connection to the direct query mode in Power BI. Thank you all.